Get that in there. We'll cut that out. Get some heat on that. There we're at. Smell that hazelnut really well. Right guys, once you're finished, we're going to get it in the fridge and leave it overnight for tomorrow. Once we get it in. If you want, you don't have to wait 24 hours, you can wait a few hours, just need to let it cool down. It's always better to leave it for a night if you can. But you know, if you're pressed and you want to get it done quickly, then you can. So you get your mix after you've got it out. Let's go. Let's put it in the turbine. There's a crushed hazelnut. Yeah, as you can see now it's starting to turn. Once the turbine's finished and the cycle is finished, just put them straight in the turbine and let them blend in with the machine. What do you think, man? Try it?
It's good.
Yeah, damn good, isn't it? Let's enjoy.